Estamos aqui nas Furnas, mas é no lugar, no lado das Caldeiras, que eu não tenho gravado ainda. E portanto eu pensei que isso era uma boa oportunidade para gravar para vocês. Isso aqui é um jardim muito lindo. Deixa eu ver. Ai, o cheiro aqui parece ser ovos, like rotten eggs. But you get used to it after walking for a little bit. But look at this here, everybody. How lush, how high that mountain is. And all around, you can see the smoke from the Caldeiras. Really nice area here. And we're going to be going down and just showing our friend Sandra, who's over there. Say hi, Sandra.
Hi.
Hi, Marlena.
Hi.
We're going to be showing Irmã Sandra, who's here from the US or Canada?
Both.
Both. She's here from both. And she's leaving this week, so we're just going to take her around so she can see a little bit of our island. Oh, they want photos. They want photos. Okay, vamos lá então. Okay, so we're going to take a photo. Look at us. Yay! 3 beautiful women. The 3 amigas. Não é? O tempo está bom. Não está muito quente, mas está agradável. Porque está um pouquinho de vento. Mas por menos não está com chuva ainda. Mas estamos à espera de chuva para amanhã. Que eles dizem. E vamos lá ver as Caldeiras, which is something that I've never filmed. But this is where they cook the famous Portuguese stew, which is o cozido, que é feito e eles colocam no chão. Ai, escadas, me mata. Olha só essas raízes. Lots and lots. Look at the roots. I can barely walk on top of the roots. Muito giro. It almost looks like a puzzle, a jigsaw puzzle. I'm gonna go this way. And of course, sisters are coming along. They're just taking in all the beauty.
It is beautiful.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
And we get to see the lake from here, Furnas Lake, which is really beautiful. And yes, Caldeiras, can you smell that rotten egg, the sulfur? And here we go. There's Caldeiras. Look at that boiling water. And let's go to the where they do the food. Uau! Olha só que vista aqui, pessoal. Muito, muito giro. Agora, para entrar aqui, eles cobrem, mas como nós somos residentes cá, não há, a gente não tem que pagar, é grátis. Portanto, os de cá não paguem e os de fora pagam. Eu não sei quanto, mas pagam. Oh, look at this. The loon, I think it is, eating. Someone has put some food here for it. Olha só que lugar magnífico. Olha só, tem mais ali, olha. Tem vários, aliás. Eu não sei se eu posso caminhar aqui, mas eu vou tentar. Oh, look at it. And they don't seem like they're afraid of humans. There they go. Eating flowers. They must be, oh, this one's really cute. Love the color on that one. Hola, the ice cream. They do have canoes here, so you can canoe and paddle boat. And just look at this view, everybody. Low of those trees. They're so bare, but they're still very beautiful. And look at this here, everyone. Que lindo mesmo. Lindo. O céu está cloudy, mas ainda assim é um lugar muito lindo. Eu e o André já fizemos esse trilho aqui, que é em volta do lago, que é uma caminhada muito boa. Olha só. Olá, amigos. Let me go back. I can hear them asking where I'm at, so let me go and see. There is quite a few people here, even though it is not a sunny day. And there's our group that goes to Two Brothers. After church we came. Look at all the cats. Someone has put food, but oh, this is such a cute one. Hi there. And look, they're all here. The ground is warm and they're keeping warm. People feed them. Look at this one here. Hey, I didn't know you guys would be here today, but hello. Temos comida. Look at this. Wow. Volcanic eggs and cozido, oh, lobster. This must be an area or little restaurants that you can go and have the cozido. So wildlife, waterfalls park. They have the entrance, the waterfall, the kiosk, the house. Oh, they have a house there too, a picnic area. Really neat, you guys. And this is what you can anticipate to see when you go for your walk. There's the waterfalls they're talking about. Oh, I guess you can swim in there. Very beautiful. The house. Look at that. I don't know how long this walk takes, but it's something that I would like to try. And they've hung some photos here. Very, very interesting. I'm going to try to see if I can walk in a little bit. Didn't come prepared to do the walk today. Oh, hi, you guys are going to come with me? Didn't come prepared to do the walk. Look at the fern. Oh, we have this in our backyard. Very, very nice. This is area where you can come for a coffee. I love their photos that they have. Look at the color of these flowers here. It's interesting how vibrant and colorful it is, even in the winter. You still get a lot of color coming through. Guarda o seu bilhete para a saída. Keep your ticket to exit the park. So it is paid. I'm going to try to see. I'm going to try to see só 50% desconto sobre bilhete não residente. 50% off for non-residents. You can buy it here as well, your ticket. And let's look at some of these other photos and what you can anticipate quando as pessoas vão fazer caminhada. Isso é algumas coisas que a gente encontramos, que é muito giro. E essa ponte, olha só as águas. Não é? Oh, look at the web here, if you guys can see it. Very interesting how they have. It's a little bit windy, so I hope you guys can hear me. Look at how bright this is. They do have washrooms. The parking lot over there. Very, very nice. Okay, let me go back to my group. They're probably wondering where I'm at. The park is usually open daily from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and ticket sales are available until 4 p.m. So you can purchase tickets as late as 4 p.m. Portanto, está aberto das 9 às 5 e as pessoas podem comprar os ingressos até às 4 horas da tarde. Não é? É uma coisa que eu tenho que voltar cá para fazer também. Esse é o Parque da Grená. Muito, muito interessante. Eu não sei onde é que está o meu grupo. Deixa eu lá ver se eu acho-os. Aqui mais fumarolas. Olha, eles têm comida cá, tem o nome do restaurante aqui. Era bom se a gente pudesse comer um cozido hoje, não é? O tempo está muito agradável e não está assim muito quente. E para comer um cozido até que sabia bem agora. Aqui here, São Miguel, Azores. You can get coffee, you can get a whole bunch of stuff there, snacks. You can get souvenirs, you can get cards. All the pineapples, my favorite. Eu posso gravar os ananás? Os nossos ananás dos Açores, muito bom. Pina colada, that's my favorite. Tá aqui os preços. Ok, tchau, obrigada. That was nice. She let me film the pineapple stand. Muito giro, e eles querem tirar outra foto, portanto vamos tirar mais uma foto juntos. Ok, pessoal, não sei o que mais que vamos ver aqui, mas vamos ver lá. Vamos lá ver outras coisas também. Ok. Estamos aqui no Jardim da Almeira. Olha só as águas. Muito giro. E nós vamos para lá, que é para molhar os pezinhos. O nosso grupo já está lá. O pastor já está arregaçando as caças, que é para ele colocar os pés também. Oh, muito giro. Olha só. O pastor já está com with his pants rolled up so he can put his feet in the water. It's so hot, this water. There's a lot of people here. Ouça da tia Silvinha. E é aqui que nós vamos então colocar os nossos pezinhos. O irmão Francisco. Ah, já está muito quente, tá? It's really, look at the bubbling. So if you want it like that, hot, you put your feet there, whoops. If you want it cooler, you go there. And if you want the medium, you go over there. So let's go and wet our feet, everybody. Oh, Andre's not going to go in, the other brothers and sisters. But we're in. Look at Sandra, are you enjoying it?
Yeah, I love
Muito bom, não é? Não, mas é verdade, daqui a pouco eu vou colocar meu pé no frio também. Muito. Alright.
está vermelho.
So look. Ai, it's so hot. Está muito quente, é insuportável, pô. Insuportável, eu não suporto. Irmã, eu não sei como é que tu suportas. It's too hot, I can't take it. I'm gonna go ahead and put mine in the cold water. Alright, let me go. Que shock. Oh my goodness, this is so cold, everybody. This is the other side here, which is very, very cold, but we're all having a good time. And pretty soon, look at that, he's completely immersed in this cold water. Don't understand how you can do it, but I'm going to go over to the medium one. So this is the boiling, the cold, and I'm going to go over to that medium one over there. The pastor's still explaining away. Look at that. I don't know how he would stand that long in that hot water, but he is. And I'm over here on the medium side, and that's where I'm going to be going. This is where you can get a free pedicure, everybody. My friends from Brazil, brothers, they've never seen this, so the brothers are explaining to them. They're amazed. They don't understand how this is cold and how this is warm. So the brother was explaining, tchau. Tá bem, obrigado. Ok, so achei o segredo. Quando a gente deixa os pés no ar assim, é mais quente, mas se colocar o pé aqui assim, é suportável. So make sure you immerse your foot completely, and like that I'm able to withstand it. Very nice. All right, so we are enjoying ourselves here and having a good time with our brothers and sisters from church. There they are, yeah. Here in Poça da Dona Silvina, just enjoying a free pedicure, não é? Anyway, espero que vocês estejam bem e vocês estão aproveitando o seu domingo, porque nós estamos aproveitando o nosso domingo aqui, o nosso convívio com os nossos irmãos da igreja e mostrando para a nossa irmã Sandra, antes dela ir embora, um pouco da nossa ilha, não é? Olha só que coisa mais linda. Vocês que vejam só Não é só um pouco que vocês veem a coisa mais bonita nessa ilha aqui, esse lugar muito popular nas Furnas, na Poça da Dona Silvinha. Ok. Junta da freguesia do Vale das Furnas. Sandra, diz-me, gostaste?
Então não. Olha como é que está vermelho aqui.
E como é que estás sentindo? Are you feeling lighter, relaxed, lighter?
Super. Relaxed, lighter. My skin feels soft.
Good, very good. Ainda bem. Gostaste? A gente está gostando de tudo.
Está aqui a prova de creme.
Tá bem. Andre didn't go in. Why not? Muito quente, ok. Tá bom, então. Fala tchau pra todo mundo.
Está cheirão.
Aqui na Ribeira Grande. Olha só a fumaça que está saindo daqui. Muito giro. Nós vamos aqui tomar banho no Saúde e Bem-Estar, que tem umas águas térmicas. We're going to go into the hot thermal baths and just enjoy. It's a nice cool evening and we'll be able to enjoy it and just relax. So that's a really nice restaurant. I've never been to there, but maybe we'll go and we'll have a coffee there later. And we're going to go here, Baby Spa Thermal. So the thermal waters. And this is the entrance here. I thought it was over there. Here we go. Very nice here. All right, like I said, thermal waters. We're going to go in, and once we're there, I'll show you. They've renovated, so I'll show you what it looks like, and we're going to be enjoying our evening. Aqui, Termas das Caldeiras, que fica na Ribeira Grande. E o André está lá dentro pagando. Estou achando isso aqui muito lindo. Essa água deve ser bem quente. E o cheiro de enxofre. So sulfur smell again, but really nice. Andre's just inside paying for our tickets, and then we're going to go in, you guys. So come along and I'll show you what it looks like. So there you go. These are all the prices, os preços.
Tem inglês também.
I see English. So English here, Portuguese here, €7. Come on down, 1 hour, and enjoy yourselves. So Andre, what do you think?
Too hot to handle.
Too hot to handle? Oh my goodness, it feels so good. Love it. And then you have the fall here. A água não é amarela, so it's not yellow. Because it doesn't have iron. It's cloudy, but it's not iron filled. Remember the Terra Nostra is iron filled? So this is not iron filled, but it is very warm.
One pool is 37 point something, the other pool is 39 point
Yeah.
something.
So we're going to enjoy this and enjoy our evening.
Oh yeah. Então como é que tá a água?
André, tá espetacular mesmo. It's so good. We've had a long day today, so just to sit here in this warm and enjoy this spa lake.
It's too bad it's only 1 hour.
Yeah, 1 hour. I was telling everybody 1 hour, €7 to get in, but in 1 hour you can still relax and let your muscles relax and just enjoy your time and have a great time. So this is what you and I want to do. Just enjoy the rest of our evening here together. You know, relaxing and just to take a break from everyday life.
I know.
Very good. So nice and relaxing, like I said. They do have a spa inside for massages and other treatments. And it's so nice. Colder outside. There's the view out there. And here's another waterfall. It is so nice and warm. We are in the second pool because there are 2 pools. So we have that first one over there. Here's Andre just taking photos. And hello.
Hi.
And we are here in the second one. This was a place that I wasn't aware of. I didn't know that it existed. It's Caldeiras, Furnas Valley, que é na Ribeira Grande. So I was unaware of this location. I think we had driven by, but I don't think we ever came and enjoyed ourselves here. So this is what Andre and I are doing. It's just enjoying our time here, our evening. Our friend Sandra has come as well because she's had a hard day. And we were all together, so we're just here enjoying it and relaxing. Now, I had always been to Terra Nostra and Dona Beija, os lugares que a gente costuma ir sempre. Para cá nunca a gente tinha vindo, que é as térmicas das Caldeiras, que é na Ribeira Grande. Para aquelas pessoas que estão lá fora, isso é um outro lugar também que a gente possa vir e aproveitar as águas térmicas. So you can come here and enjoy the thermal waters as well in Ribeira Grande. How do you feel? Are you
Mamado, tô mamado.
Are you relaxed yet? Qual é que tu gostas? Da Dona Beija, a Terra Nostra ou esse aqui, André?
Isso aqui é melhor, né?
É mais calmo, tem menos pessoas, não é?
Agora é mais.
Agora, e dá para aproveitar bem.
É mais barato.
Tá, e mais baratinho, e está aberto até às 10. So nice and relaxed. It's open until 10. Not a session. 1 hour sessions. There isn't a lot of people. So you can enjoy it and have the pools more or less, the thermal pools to yourself. No, babe.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Vai se afogar aí, senão eu vou ter que casar de novo.
André, vai ter que se casar de novo. Ok, pessoal, eu tive que sair da água, está muito quente. Só tem um pouco de pessoas aqui agora, não tem muita pessoa. Eu andei, estamos adorando. Essa água é bem quente, é bem relaxante. Dá para a gente sentar e apreciar a natureza, o ar puro que a gente respira aqui. Olha, eu vou mostrar para vocês as verduras que eles têm aqui também. Muito giro.
Ó, o primo do Zé que tava lá.
Ninguém está aqui nessa, so nobody's here in this one. And there's a nice sprinkler system, a waterfall over there. And of course all the greenery and just a beautiful night. It's not too cold. It is a really good temperature. Está a temperatura muito agradável. E é um lugar bom para a gente subir. Olha, eu adorei. Disseste as térmicas das Caldeiras. E aquele poço que eu gravei no começo, a segunda senhora que trabalha cá, ela disse-me que é lá que a água sai de lá e vem para cá. Portanto, muito bom. Interessante que não dá o cheiro de enxofre. Doesn't smell like sulfur. But from what I understand, the lady that works here was saying that the water in that tank, they pump it from that tank over here. Yeah, in this first pool, I love the way they did the wall. They've renovated it. It looks really nice. And then you get the second pool here. Okay, we've been here a while, so we're going to call it a day. And she's going to come get us in about 3 minutes because we only have an hour. If you're going to go, enjoy it because she's going to be calling us soon. There goes Andre. It's really warm, isn't it? Oh. I was going to get out because I was really hot, but Andre decided to come on this one. And I might as well take advantage of it before we get called to go out. Oh.
It's very relaxing here.
It is. I was telling everybody this is something that if you're home in the evening and you don't really have anything to do, but you're feeling stressed out, just come down
and
here.
And you have $7 to spare.
And you have $7 to spare and an hour. So it's about 45 minutes from Caldeiras, no?
Yeah, from 45 minutes.
All right.
More or less.
More or less. I actually was telling everybody that I like it here better than Dona Beija.
Yeah.
Dona Beija, I like it better. It's calmer. There's less people.
And it's closer to our home too.
It's closer to our home. It's nicer, relaxing. We had the moon that was out, but it's not out right now. All the greenery. And this one here is super hot, people. Super hot.
Coming from the Caldeiras, né?
From the Caldeiras, aquele tanto que está lá fora. Yeah. I like the way they have it set
So
up.
this water is almost 40 degrees.
This one's 40. How much is the other one?
37.
37 and 40, yeah.
Makes a big difference.
Huge difference. This is why I'm feeling a little bit wonky
Well,
in
I'm
this
gonna
one.
move to the other one now.
All right. Okay, like I was saying, we might as well sign off and say goodbye to everybody.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, everybody. Thanks for watching and join us on our next video. We appreciate all your support. All right, take care.
Tchau. Até a próxima. Not here.
Just say ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao, everybody. All right. Good night, everybody.